Helix Low-Rise Adhesive. Review Mulehide specifications and details for complete installation information. Helix Low-Rise Adhesive is used to attach insulations, cover boards, and fleece back membranes to approved substrates. Before using, thoroughly read all product data sheets and safety data sheets. For acceptable roof decks and existing roofing materials, see product data sheets and written specifications for more information. Helix Low-Rise Adhesive drums are sold in 15 and 50-gallon drum sets. Each set comes with a Part A and a Part B component that can be dispensed using various dispensing equipment. This video features the tap adhesive pump, which is sold by Hapco Inc. A proprietary twist-lock hose connection is inserted into Helix drums, designed for fast and simple connections between Helix drums and the tap adhesive pump. Additionally, the tap adhesive pump's gun and hose assembly is designed for simple and efficient application of bead or splatter application, with only slight adjustment to the gun tip with no air compressor needed for either method. While beads are applied using a static mix tip only, a shower cap tip can be simply clicked onto the mix tip to allow for splatter application. Helix Low-Rise Adhesive drums are not solely manufactured for use with the tap adhesive pump. Helix Low-Rise Adhesive can also be dispensed with various other equipment sprayers. The Helix Low-Rise Adhesive pump and its accessory components are not sold by Mulehide. For additional information or support with the tap adhesive pump or its accessory components, contact Hapco Inc. Insulation or cover boards are adhered with beads in a ribbon pattern and applied at 4, 6, or 12 inches on center, depending on the project requirements. Refer to Mulehide's product data sheets for coverage rates. A tight fit and proper layout of the insulation is critical prior to the dispensing of any Helix Low-Rise Adhesive. The substrate, which includes the roof deck and insulation boards, and ambient air temperature must all be 32 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. The adhesive drums must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or more. In colder temperatures, heater blankets and warm storage will be necessary. Adhesive that is too cold during application results in excessive foam rise and cure times or off-ratio A and B components. When adhering insulation with Helix, 4x8 boards with a thickness not exceeding 4 inches can be used when beads are applied at 4 or 6 inches on center. When applying boards thicker than 4 inches or using beading of 12 inches on center, then a maximum insulation size of 4x4 must be installed. When installing Den's deck or secure rock cover boards, sheets up to 4x8 in size can be used when applying beads at 4, 6, or 12 inches on center. After applying the adhesive, allow the adhesive to rise. Rise times will vary based on the ambient conditions. You will know when the adhesive is ready and in its open working time, as it will develop strings when touched. It is critical that all insulation and membrane is pre-staged to ensure there are no delays when setting product into the adhesive. Once the Helix adhesive has lost string or developed a skin, it will no longer work as an adhesive. Once the boards are set in the foam, walk them into place. When walking into place, it is recommended to roll in the boards with a 75 to 150 pound segmented weighted roller, weighing at least 50 pounds per linear foot. Then, apply temporary ballast to weight the boards in place, while the adhesive cures like shown. Fleeceback membrane can be installed with beads or using the splatter method, depending on the job requirements. For splatter applications, sweep the gun side to side, ensuring droplets cover 50% of the surface area. Refer to Mulehide's product data sheets for coverage rates. Unroll the fleeceback sheet and position in place, ensuring proper seam alignment with adjoining sheets. Fold the sheet back in half, lengthwise, making sure you do not reposition the membrane. Leaving half the membrane laid out will help to prevent this. Start applying adhesive closest to the membrane roll and shield seam areas from potential adhesive overspray when using splatter application. Ensure proper rise and string is met while unrolling the fleeceback membrane into the adhesive. After placing the fleeceback membrane into the adhesive, roll the membrane with a 75 to 150 pounds segmented weighted roller weighing at least 50 pounds per linear foot. For further support, please contact Mulehide at 1-800-786-1492